Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to be walking through a comparison between AutoEntry and Quicken. This is a comparison between data entry and Money Master Showdown. So let's get started. Now, if you're tired of financial administration, you've got two apps that are promising to help you, and they are AutoEntry and Quicken. But they are not rivals, they are teammates. Here's a breakdown of who does what and which one you actually need. Now, when it comes to their superpowers, AutoEntry is the data destroyer. It kills manual data entry. And when it comes to Quicken, Quicken is the money commander. It gives you total financial control. When you look at what they do, AutoEntry scans and digitizes receipts, bills, and invoices instantly, while Quicken tracks, budgets, and plans your entire financial life. When it comes to what they are best for or who they are best for, AutoEntry is best for business owners, accountants, and anyone drowning in paper, that is paperwork, while Quicken is best for individuals and families that are managing budgets, investments, and debts. When it comes to the boost they got in 2025, AutoEntry got an AI boost of near perfect OCR and auto categorization for any document, while Quicken got predictive budgeting and personalized financial insight in 2025. When we look at their key differences, AutoEntry feeds data into accounting software like QuickBooks, while Quicken is a financial software. It is the final destination. So think of it like this. AutoEntry is your super smart assistant who organizes all your paperwork and hands you a perfect report. While Quicken is the expert CFO who takes that report and tells you exactly what to do with your money. So you don't really choose between them. You might use AutoEntry to feed data into Quicken, but if you're just managing personal finances, Quicken is your all-in-one powerhouse. So to simplify, AutoEntry for automating business data entry, while Quicken is for mastering your personal money goals. Did that clear things up? Let me know which tool you're leaning towards in the comments below. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more app showdowns that save you time and money. See you next time. Bye for now.